Tequila.
Here we go now.
1 tequila. 2 tequila. 3 tequila. Flow. A plant-based drink made from blue agave plant. Most tequilas come from Jalisco region of Mexico. More specifically from the areas around Tequila. In fact, Mexico law mandates that most tequilas, with certain exceptions, be manufactured in Jalisco only. Tequila is made from fermentation of sugar of a blue agave plant. During the 1918 Spanish flu epidemic, patients were instructed to drink tequila with lime and salt to ease their symptoms. Today, tequila is not considered a medicine anymore, but people fond of drinking might still take it, hoping it soothes their throat, eases congestion, or aids with sleep. If you're not a Mexican, then you might have tried your first tequila at a party. In Mexico, tequila is a very sophisticated affair. The most traditional way of drinking tequila is neat, without lime or salt. Outside Mexico, a single shot of tequila is often served with salt and a slice of lime or lemon. This is called tequila cruda, or at times is referred as the training wheel, or lick, sip, suck. You may prefer your tequila neat, or a shot with salt and lime, or in margarita. Tequila can be enjoyed in many ways, and at almost all the places, be it beach or a club. You can even dance the night out with tequila. Subscribe us and keep watching this space for more such short, entertaining videos. Till then, if life gives you lemon, grab salt and tequila.